Hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For new visitors, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. Well, it's been a while making this new tutorial or Android programming tutorial. So for the kickstart of this year or in the third quarter of this year, for now I'm making a simple tutorial for this. Well, for next tutorial, I'm planning to continue uploading a new tutorial again. So let's tune up and don't forget to click the notification bell for more update with this tutorial. So what are we waiting for? And stop the introduction and continue this tutorial. So our topic for today is all about creating and highlights when selecting in item in recycle view, list view, recycle view. So let's start. For the ritual, here is the basic setup. Is it build Gradle, so the Gradle properties, and then where's the setting Gradle. So this project is, if you're familiar to my previous tutorial, this is the create recycle view horizontal recycle view. So I will reuse this project code. If you want to watch again, you can search on my YouTube channel for this previous tutorial. So let's start. I will delete this to make this linear layout of recycle view. So I want to adjust this. So okay, here is our recycle view adapter, and then this is the item list. For now, let's create a menu layout. Menu linear layout, match parent, wrap content, and then Android orientation horizontal. Then let's cut this and paste it. So let's declare the ID for this layout. Okay, container. So next is we must make a drawable. So first, let's go to drawable folder or drawable MD resources. So let's name is as adapter border highlights. We need this item because this is the crucial part, and then must declare this a shape. Okay, and then our shape is here. Of course, it's a rectangle. So let's declare this solid. Our Android color is transparent. Okay, Android color, and then Android color transparent. Okay, sorry. So let's continue. So of course we need to stroke this. So yeah, sweet. The border of the and then Android color, Android also transparent. So that's it. View, this is it. Yeah. So let's go back to our item. Android background is also the important code for this tutorial. Drawable. Then select this. Okay. So let's go back to our recircle view. So this is the important part. Okay. So let's declare this private bar selected position. Also -1, you can use that later. And this also need to cut this. And let's declare in the onBind view folder. Let's paste it. Then let's copy this folder, and here we go. Also must declare this as public so we can use this. Alright, we already fixed the error. So let's declare the code. Let's enter previous selected position, and then our declared variable int. Alright, then selected position equals holder dot adapter position. So when click it, the adapter will be go to the selected position, and then let's declare this notify item changes. Then let's type this our selected position. Then notify item changes. Notify item changes again. The selected position. This will be first call notify previous item. Then notify the current item. So here is, and then is the condition. If selected position is equals to the position so here is the tricky holder dot binding dot item text view. If selected, that set text color that first color. Okay, that's this 6455055D4. Well, I have na. Okay, so when selected the item, the text will be changes holder. Now we need to change the background color. Background color of the linear layout. Holder dot binding dot container, and then background here we go, as gradient robot. The background, the set stroke, okay, to color, declare this again. Okay, let's copy this. Here we go. Yeah. That's it. So else pause. Let's copy this and then okay. This is my selected 5566 885. This is my selected okay, call this color. Here we go. So if selected, the text color will changes and the border color will also be changes. And when the item is unselected or not selected, then it will go back to your previous color. So let's run. So while waiting, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Or if you have a suggestion topic for the next tutorial, then you can comment down below. So for next tutorial, I plan the topic for about updating Gradle version, because the Target SDK version for this, when uploading app in Play Store, is the minimum, or Target SDK is 34. So we need to update our app uploading in Play Store because the deadline is August 31, 2024. So here we go. Where's the here? We have an error. So let's check this. Oh, I forgot the hash stop. And also we must our item view. So we need to match parent. And also we need to add background color to appreciate the so let's run again. You can also, while waiting, you can also watch my reels for this YouTube channel. I have been uploading some quick tutorial of 5 tips in programming. So here's the top 5 tips for that certain topic. So you can watch this quick reels video on my YouTube channel if you want to learn some more tips. Any topic will be posted. So let's just wait. So while waiting again, you can like, comment, share this video, or you can bookmark this video if you want to back in the future. So here's the item in the cycle view. There's a lag, so when selecting an item, here we go, the items will be highlighted when the certain color and the text are changes color. And when I selected item selected to, the shift of changing color move into this item 2. The color changes, the item changes. So you can modify this condition if you want to adjust the stroke, the color, the text color or text style when selected item, and you can revert back when the item is not selected. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learn some more, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next tutorial.